Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to make a loop on CapCut. So first thing is you need to open the CapCut application on your phone device. Once you're at the home page, you tap on new project to create a new project of loop video. So tap on the video that you want to create a loop. Select that video and then tap on add. Now once you have added the video that you want to make a loop, what you can do is you select the video on the CapCut first. It will give you the options on the bottom. You just keep swiping left on the option until you find the option copy in there. There's the copy option in between voice effect and reverse. You tap that copy icon. Once you do that, the same video will be copied at the end of the video. You can see I'm going to show you once more by deleting this video over here. So this is the video that I have just uploaded. You can see at the end of video there is no loop available. Select that video, swipe left. You'll find the copy option, tap that, and that video will be copied at the end of the video. So there's two videos now. If you go back, then again, if you select the video and tap on copy, again that will be added. This is a way how you can make a loop. Currently, the loop will be much easier if the video is of less second. So this is a 37-second video at the first. Now it's 1 minute 47 seconds. All you need to do is now export this to your phone gallery and the loop video will be created. The smaller the video second, the better it will look. Hope this video was useful on how you can make loop video on CapCut. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.